How is it that I make the other miserable?
You make the other miserable.
How? Explain. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, look, you're happy? Say good morning. Oh, he's already gone. He's watching Happy, if you're happy and you know it. You guys, how are you guys doing? Focus camera. I just finished. Yes baby, go ahead. Look at him. And you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Yay. You guys, I just finished getting my workout in. Got all fresh in the shower. Look at my face. Fresh face, honey. Just got my workout in. Happy Friday. It is Friday morning and I got my workout in because I have work this afternoon, so I know I won't get my workout in later, so my mornings are best. Though I got my workout in, we have a situation, but I didn't let that situation stop me from working out. So what is happening is that they are renovating the outside of our apartment and we cannot go out on our balcony, none at all. They block the entire balcony, they cover the entire balcony. Everything that was outside is now inside. Yes, I had to carry some of the things, Tyler. I have to carry some of the things downstairs in our storage, and all the seatings are in our living room. Yes baby, bus coming after this one. So one of our chairs is here, another one is there, Tyler tent is in, the other chair is here with the table. So our living room is stocked, it's full. It's so much things in here, so that's really a situation. Yes boss. So I'm just gonna show you guys what outside is looking like. My face needs some moisturizer, I look dry. So let me show you what outside is looking like right now. So that is outside. They cover the entire walk-in space down there. They cover all the side. They cover the little closet that we have some storage and stuff in. They completely take off everything off the balcony, all the protective glass, all the protective covering, and they have railings going all the way up to the next floor, the next 2 floors going up. So yeah, we cannot venture outside, so that's what outside is looking like right now. But though I cannot go outside, I did not let that stop me from working out. I still got my workouts in. I'm just going to pretend like it's winter and I cannot go outside the same. So I just got all my equipments that was in the cupboard and bring them inside, and your girl got her workout in this morning. I got a killer workout in this morning. I feel good, I feel accomplished, and I hope you guys really get your workout in. So everyone that has been messaging me on Instagram and telling me how much my vlogs and working out inspire you to work out, we really appreciate that. I am not just doing this for me, I'm doing it and seeing that so many of you guys are really taking an approach to be encouraged and to stay motivated and to just get up and work out. It really makes me even want to go hard and even accomplish so much more with my workout. It's really humbling. And on that note, yes baby, Han, look at this bug. Oh, I'm gonna kill it. And on that note, baby's off to work, and situation number 2 is all buses strike today. It's a good thing that I don't have to take the bus today, though I have work. But what happened that baby's still gone to work because he had some schedule appointments that he couldn't cancel. So baby's off to work. Yes, baby. Baby's off to work, but babe is gone to work biking. He's riding his bicycle to his appointments, and he's going to bike back home in time for me to go to work. Situation number 2. But we ain't gonna let that stop us. Things have to be done. We have to do what we have to do, so we have to find a way to get it done. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. It's Friday, so it's turn up for some of you guys. It's family time for some of you guys. Some of you about to have the last day of work. Some of you still have work. But whatever the case may be, whatever it is that you're venturing out to do on whatever time that you're watching this video, have fun doing it. Stay motivated, stay blessed, stay encouraged, keep a smile on your face. Let no one steal your joy. I am about to go make me some breakfast and then get some work done around here. Lunch is looking like today, and it's giving me so much life. It's basically a quinoa salad. I have lettuce under here, and I just throw 2 spoons of quinoa on the top with some tomatoes, and this is slow cooked chicken that I did in the slow cooker. So that's what lunch is looking like for today. Going down now. Situation number 3 is Tyler always have one of these at snack time. This, we call it compote in French, but as you guys know, it's pureed fruit. And if it's in this sachet, he doesn't want it, and he needs to eat something like this. So what I'm going to do, he's coming, so I'm going to throw it in a container and see if he's going to eat it. This is how amazing kids are. He doesn't want it from the sachet, but he eats it from this. He finished 1 full sachet, and I asked him if he wants some more, and he said yes. And I come and pull a second sachet, but he only have like 2 spoons from this one. Well, at least I know that he rather eating it from the spoon than sucking it from this thing. So what I'm going to do today when I go to the supermarket, that I'm not gonna buy the one in the sachet, I'm gonna buy the one in the little container. That way he can use the spoon and eat it. See that he preferred that way, and see. But yeah, I'm having a bunch of situations today. Okay, so much situation. I'm actually ready for work. I'm ready for work and waiting for babe to arrive because I have to leave out in 20-25 minutes or so. That way I can be well on my way.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Egg.
You want egg? No, not now. You have egg tomorrow, okay?
Hi guys, so I'm back home earlier today. I'm in the kitchen actually because it's Friday. We're going to supermarket in 30 minutes. I'm gonna pick up babe that is at work actually. So I'm here actually making some dinner for Tyler because I'm gonna feed him before to go. So he's having some quinoa. This is my dinner, but Tyler gonna have the quinoa and some bacon because As you guys know now, Tyler just loves the bacon. So I'm making some bacon to fry for him. Non, maman, elle est pas là, maman, elle est au travail. And yeah, that would be it. What I'm gonna do for babe is some shrimp and quinoa because I'm gonna pick up her. I'm gonna pick up her at work. I'm going to put her food in a container, so because we'll be back after 8, so she can eat and not feel hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna feed Tyler. Hey, attention, doucement. Oh, you try. You try. Papa, il va t'aider, d'accord? Oh. Bravo! Tu vois quand t'arrives, tu peux. Bravo, Tyler. Good job. Alright, so I'm gonna help Tyler to finish his food because he's not going far like this.
I am back from work. Babe got me and we are making a quick run to the supermarket and fruit and vegetable store. It's Friday night, so hopefully we can get some goodies so we don't lose our Saturday into doing supermarket shopping. It was so nice to carry my dinner for me, so I got to eat in the car so I won't drop down in the supermarket. Because your girl can't stay hungry for 2 seconds, okay? I cannot stay hungry. You don't want to cross my path when I'm hungry one. I'm a miserable. I am a miserable wife.
He's not only miserable wife, he's miserable and make the other miserable.
How is it that I make the other miserable?
You make the other miserable.
How? Explain.
If it was just like you hardly manage, look at this piece of shit.
Uh-oh. Bad driving.
If it was just only about you and miserable, I can manage that. But you make the other, you make me feel miserable and you're complaining about everything. And oh Lord.
Oh my God, he's spilling all the tea right now. Alright, babe, I see you.
No, you're not telling that. It's not because camera.
I know. I'm used to it. I'm used to him telling me that I'm making him miserable when I'm hungry. So when babe hear me say I'm hungry, he knows that he just have to get me food right away or else it's going to be hell. He doesn't make me hungry because he knows what's about to happen when I'm hungry. Does anybody else do that? When you're hungry, you're just miserable? You're just miserable? I admit, and I know that when I'm hungry, I just transform when I'm hungry. So I'm happy that he bring my dinner so that I don't have to make him miserable, right? Hey guys, man, we are back from the supermarket. We rushed and we got all our goodies from the fruit and vegetable store and all our goodies from the grocery supermarket, and we're back and I just put Tyler to bed. So I'm just going to show you a little haul of all the things that we got.
Of course, I restocked my quinoa stock, so all these are quinoa. This one is quinoa. This one is, I don't even know what to call it, it's called polenta. They says he wanted to try this one, don't ask much to, but I guess now I'm going to have to figure out what to cook that. Snacks for Tyler and some on-the-go food for Tyler here. And of course, I have stock of plantain green ones and just a little few red ones. And cereal for Tyler and babe. Tyler on this one, and babe loved this one, so he got this one for himself. And of course, I'm stuck on my fruits, oranges for Ty, kiwi and plum for me, and healthy cereal for babe and then mangoes. I saw mangoes at a good price, so I decided to take 2. Normally when I take mangoes, they wouldn't be so ripe when you eat them right away, even though they look so pretty. In a few days, or like a day or 2, these will be really yummy. I got corn, I got back Tyler's stock of donuts because he loved these small baby donuts. So we got those, and of course we stock up here of all those meats and fish and shrimp and all those things. And we stock eggs because that's what I eat in the morning, and yogurt for Ty, and I bought these compotes, these pureed fruit for him instead of buying them in the sachet. And I finally got my grape without seed in it, yogurt stock up there, bacon stock for Ty, vegetables down here from the vegetable supermarket. So yeah, and I got this chili champagne for myself for it, and apple juice for babe. So yeah.
Here, Tyler gone to bed, so all parents know that when the bed, when the kid gone to bed, that's when the relaxed moments start.
Oh yeah, and
No relaxed moments before this time.
That's true, and I'm so looking forward to it. It's Friday night, so no work in 2 days. It's the
Weekend.
The Jamaican expression for today will be galang dong deso. If you hear Jamaican say to you galang dong deso, the simple means go down there.
Galang den deso.
Galang dong
Galang dong
deso.
deso.
Yes.
Okay, galang dong deso.
Yes. Go
Okay.
down there.
Go down there.
Yes.
The French word for today will be, it's like a bad word, but where we live in the south, we don't consider as bad. It's like we put it in every sentence. It's like how we finish the sentence. So this word is putain. Putain mean, well, what is that?
Somebody shining a different color light.
Okay. So putain mean, well, the real word of putain is like a
It's
whore.
like yes.
Yeah, a whore. That's what is a putain, is a whore. But when you say putain, you don't mean this.
It's like you saying shit.
Yeah, it's like you
English.
say
like
shit.
you're saying shit.
That's how we use it, like you say
Right,
shit.
that's what I understand.
Yeah, but here is like if we use it in every sentence. So even Tyler here and telling this word, so
Is you in here with it?
must be
Have to.
must be, but we don't consider it bad. Say it.
Peter.
Right.
I say it every now and then too.
You might have here say that not because I want you to teach you some bad word, but because you might have hear me sometime when I'm talking in French saying this word. So now you know what it means. You should not repeat it, but you know what it means.
Alright, you guys. So there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little vlog for today. We appreciate you guys. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. We appreciate every single one of you. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, turn on your post notification, and make sure that you get all the videos. And like I always say, if you don't get your notification, don't let them trick you. Go to our channel every day. A video is there, a vlog will be there, and on weekends don't forget to catch up on our story times. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.